My birthday month is here and I am always super excited for my birthday. I always love to dress up and make this day really special. Long ago, y'all had loved my birthday holiday get ready with me video, and I thought of creating something like that for you guys this year. This is the look that I'm going to be doing for my birthday on the 23rd of December. I'm wearing this really awesome jumpsuit from Shein, and I tied this look all together with a watch from Daniel Wellington. This is the Petite Ashfield watch, 32mm in black and silver. It's got a really pretty mesh band. Overall, it's so elegant on the wrist. I am in love with it. It comes in a really nice box. They have interchangeable straps and a lot of elegant designs to choose from the website. I do have a 15% discount code for you guys. If you guys want to use it, you can find the link in the description bar. So if you are getting ready for an event, then join me. Let's get this get ready with me started. Okay, so for my hair, I have kept it really simple. It's a blow dry brush. I wanted something like a soft blow dry look, and this tool is perfect for that. I actually use it on a regular basis whenever I wash my hair. I washed my hair today morning, and so I already used this, but I will quickly go ahead with it right here just so that I can give it one final touch. You should ideally use this when your hair is like 90% dry and just a little damp. Okay, now let's dive into the makeup. Starting off with a primer because I want my makeup to last. I'm using the one by Kiss Cosmetics. It makes your skin really silky smooth, and I'm having a good skin day today. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is in the shade Sun Beige. This is such a favorite of mine when I want like full coverage but not too heavy. I love that they have a really nice warm undertone to it, because Indians usually have like a more warm yellow undertone or an olive undertone. So I'm putting a light layer all over my face, but I'm concentrating a little more foundation on the areas that I have acne scars to cover, and that way I'm not caking up the entire face. Now I'm going in with a full coverage concealer. This is by MAC. It's their Studio Finish concealer. I'm an NC42. I'm putting that on my lid as well to color correct the area. So it's gonna act as our eyeshadow primer as well. Just look at what a flawless match this is and how full coverage. Like, I've literally taken the tiniest amount. It's all about finding the right shade. Ideally match your neck correctly. You'll never go wrong with picking a foundation or a concealer again. Don't go for all those highlighting tricks and all of that. First choose something that matches you perfectly. Okay, now it's time to set my face. My all-time favorite, literally cannot do without this powder. It's the Fit Me powder and it's in the shade 20. Brushing it on my hand first, and then under my eyes and on my lid. Make sure there are no creases before you do this, and maybe just my T-zone, because that tends to get oily fast. Moving on to the eyes, I'm wearing lenses by Poly-Eye. They are in the shade Crystal Grey. So first of all, I'm going to start off with a transition color. It's a matte shade, and I'm taking a fluffy brush and just putting that all over the eyes and getting a good pigment. Use more of like rounding motion so you can really blend it in, and maybe put some in the lower lash line as well. You have to make those really weird faces if you want to get into those areas, so go for it. Okay, now I'm going in with my MAC palette. This is Pretty Punk. This was a limited edition palette. So I'm taking this really pretty shimmer that's over here. It's got like a grey silver undertone, but it's like a darker version. Because what's a birthday look without some shimmer, right? You can go slightly above the crease. It doesn't have to be like exactly cut on your crease. I'm laying it down first on my lid with a flat brush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend and sort of merge the edge into that transition shade. I'm taking some of the lighter silver shade over here, and I'm gonna put that in the middle of my lid. You can put some in your lower lash line as well. Just taking both and putting them, and taking some of the lightest shimmer shade, I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Now I'm simply taking a black kajal. Take something that's smudgeable because we're gonna be smudging this part over here. I'm gonna just line my lashes and simply smudge it out with the black eyeshadow. Even put that in your waterline. It's not a smoky eye, so we don't need to take it very far, but just so that it's not like a proper line is the goal. Now if you're using some fake lashes, you want to use black glue so that you don't have to line anything and it's easier. I'm just directly going in really close to my eyelash with this glue. Trick. Easy way to do it. Once the glue has dried for like 20 seconds, you want to go in with your lashes and just attach them right where the glue is. Look at how easy that was. To apply lashes, all you need to do is get the right glue and get the right technique. And boom, lashes are on. It was so easy. You gotta try this. Just quickly gonna fill in my brows with a brow pencil. This is by Benefit. And now let's move on to the face makeup again. Using just a tiny bit of my bronzer. This is by MAC again. A lot of products by MAC today. Taking an angled fluffy brush and you want to make that fish face kind of hollowness and you go slightly above it. You see, it gives like a very nice lifted look. Now for blush, I'm going in with, it's like a peachy pink. It's like somewhere in the middle. I multi-use my brushes a lot. I like to pull my blush up all the way to my temple sometimes. A little bit on the nose. And now for highlighter, I'm going in with the most glowy highlighter ever. This is by Ofra Cosmetics and it's the Ofra X Nikki Tutorials. Smaller brush than your contour brush and something fluffy preferably. And just go over your high points. I always get way too excited in my videos when it comes to highlighter. You can get some on your brow bone as well. Nose. And your cupid's bow. I already feel super glam. Now we're gonna go ahead with a lip gloss. I'm using this one by Pat McGrath and this is called Flesh Fantasy Lust Gloss. This is a tinted gloss, so we don't need a lipstick. You can go with a lipstick under it, but I just like to keep it really nice and nude. We are all done. I'm just gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. And now just set your face with some setting spray and you are all ready to go. And finally, to complete this look, I'm gonna spray my favorite perfume at the moment. It's the Dream Love 1000 perfume. I love how this smells. It's so fresh. It has like a musky aqua fragrance, which I love. It's very long lasting as well. Just make sure to spray it on your skin and not on your clothes. This actually makes for a really good gift as well if you're looking to gift any of your female friends. This has like aphrodisiacs that attract men. So good. I'll link products down below for you guys. And this is the final look. Idea of this look is really comfy so you can enjoy, and also something that's glam so you can really feel like it's your birthday. And also the jumpsuit, just a simple elegant watch with maybe hoop earrings. It's very minimalistic yet elegant, and that's something that I wanted to do for my 25th birthday, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. See you guys in my next video. Bye.